Battling fires in California seems to be a constant task. Have wildfires become more common?
We've been seeing an uptick in fires and the total acreage is burned by fires.
So any help firefighters can get, they'll take.
In its first 6 months of operation, it caught hundreds of fires before a 911 call came in.
That's Marcus Hernandez. He's talking about artificial intelligence, the latest tool in the toolbox for fire stations all over the state and soon-to-be country. And after a $13 million investment from Google, AI fire detection will be coming from space as the Project FireSat gets ready to launch.
We know we're going to collect way more data that's ever been done before.
Using AI to detect wildfires isn't exactly new. In fact, it's something that UC San Diego implemented in their Alert California program last year. Now that program is in stations all across the Golden State. Fire officials say they use it 24/7.
Firefighters are all still coming together with the communities we serve to mitigate those emergencies. But fires definitely don't seem like they're going away in the near future. And we're always looking for ways to add in efficiencies and improve our capabilities.
That detection now going from cameras to satellites. The AI detection from space will be starting in California and give the firefighters a bird's eye view.
So if a fire is a classroom size or smaller, we're going to pick it up and we're going to report it to the public, to fire agencies, and to fire managers and scientists across the planet every single day, every day, all the time.
The FireSat satellites are expected to be launched close to March of 2025. Ava Kirshner, ABC 10 News.